our way to Cannes. Woo-hoo. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you my bedroom for the night. Simon's joining us. Stephanie too. Look at how cute. This will be where I'll sleep. My room. Simon, this could be your bed. We'll like make a bed there or here and move all that. And then Stephanie can have that section. What did you guys think of my look tonight? I did no fake lashes, no hair extensions, no lipstick, no jewelry. I forgot Mario's on the plane. I don't think there's enough room. We're totally cramped. He's mad at me because I said I did my makeup myself, which I